Welcome to my garden, my fishes. Excuse my neighbor, she's screaming again. Alright, so the test here, what you see there, I'm testing whether a plastic tub is better than a graphite in terms of heat absorption, meaning not absorb as much heat, keep the electronics cooler under a hot temperature. I'm developing a car for TITC Thailand. It's very hot there, and so let's take a look. It's been baking for 5 minutes, like a 5-minute run. Alright, so the graphite is 140 Fahrenheit and the tub is 136.9, 137. Alright, again, yep, 140, 135, 136. So this is cooler than this.